So this was a trade setup that I took that printed me $85. After we get a nice breakout here on this candle right here, it comes to retest this general area, and that's exactly where I entered at. Talking about how I could have done better on these trades, what I need to look for next time is I'm gonna set a stop loss and profits for about, like, let's just say, yeah, honestly, 7. Should we try to shoot for most recent highs? Let's shoot for most recent highs. I'm giving you guys a live breakdown on how I think, how I believe the stock should move when you enter a trade, how it looks like while I'm entering on these specific areas. Waking up the next day, doing the same exact thing, not getting any better at all, man. Every single day that you wake up, you gotta get better at something, so. Good morning, my fellow traders, and welcome back to another vlog trading session, guys. Let's talk about that trade that I did last night because I held a trade overnight, and here's the video right here before we get into it. Time is currently 8:54 p.m. and I'm gonna set a stop loss and a price target on my futures account since I'm currently in a trade and I've been in it for over 3 hours, almost 4 now. This is a trade that I'm in, and it's currently 8:55 p.m. as you guys can see on a Sunday, and it's in nice profits, pulling up here pretty nicely. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set a stop loss and profits for about, like, let's just say, yeah, honestly, 7. Should we try to shoot for most recent highs? Let's shoot for most recent highs. The stop loss at, it's not that bad, $27. Let's do a stop loss at $29. So, and we're just gonna wake up to either gains or a loss. So as you guys saw there, I put a stop loss and set a price target, and guess what? We freaking hit the price target. Let's show you guys here. So this was a trade setup that I took that printed me $84 on the day after the fees, because you guys can see, if you guys grab this wick right there, that wick right there, and that wick right there, and connect a nice support zone level, after we get a nice breakout here on this candle right here, it comes to retest this general area, and that's exactly where I entered at. I entered on this candle right here because it's also testing the 9 EMA at the support level, which just makes it even more easier to enter some longs, some calls, whatever you want to call it. Set a price target, set a stop loss below the support level, and set a price target at the most recent highs. And guys, you guys can see we fucking printed on that trade, man. Now I was in it last night for over 3.5 hours, just checking on my phone every couple hours, watching it, seeing what's going on. And then overnight while I was sleeping, it literally printed nicely in profits. And you guys can even see this is where I entered right here on this line. Boom, nice hold to price target, man. Market's currently dropping right now hella fast, so that's going pretty bad. So unfortunately, banks are closed today, and what that means is all the money that I traded on Friday did not settle for today. So I'm only gonna trade futures today, and I'm not gonna trade any options because they didn't give me all my money that I have, and I don't have all my money to trade with. So I don't want to take a couple trades here and there when I don't have all my money, because what I do plan to do is scale in big today. I want to scale in big this week. I want to add a couple $100 to $500 a piece on my trades. Instead of taking $180 contracts, two $20 contracts, I want to go in for $400 to $800 a piece now. So this week we're going to shoot for big gains, high rewards, medium risk, still do the same thing, set a stop loss, set a price target, and hold the price target. What I'm going to do is I am going to have all the charts running just so I can make sure the market is moving as a whole together. I got MES right here, MNQ right here, and I also obviously have my futures account open here. So we're doing pretty good today, guys. We're back above $500 on this account alone. So this is the type of trades I got to take, bro, because you know what I'm saying? Look at this. One single trade already puts me up almost what I made last week. Even though I did take some hits here, 3 losses still, guys. If I can take some good trades like this off one single trade, then I can continually build this account and get funded here soon. So my first trade is $84 on the day, which is a super solid gain. We're gonna try to capture some more, guys. We're gonna try to capture some more gains. New trading setup right here. As you guys can see, we just put up the Christmas tree last night. So now we got a nice little Christmas tree going on. It's a fake one, obviously, as you guys can see, but then I decided to change the colors to match it. This is a trading setup right here, guys. Just waiting for some trades. Guys, Bitcoin hit over 82,000. I believe it's even up more. It's at 83,000 as we speak right now. At this exact moment, I just got an alert for it. But also, guys, I've been slacking on the gym. So I haven't hit the gym. Well, I had to hit the gym last week, but I hit the gym on Friday because we decided to sleep in. And then also this weekend I didn't hit the gym, and today I did not hit the gym. Even though my girlfriend's at the gym right now as we speak, we decided to go a little bit later. But I decided to just sleep in even more, man. So it's pretty bad on my end. I'm not over here in the gym again. But this week I did tell myself I am gonna eat less, more in the calorie deficit. So I haven't ate anything yet. No breakfast, no protein shake. I'm just gonna chill and make sure that I fast so I can lose weight a little bit in a different way. And also maybe I'll just work out at home. That shit gas. What's that again? Opposite of the pie? German apple. That shit gas. My trade plan set. I do plan on entering some shorts here soon, but I'm currently just editing up a video as well, and I'm about to head out here soon as well. Gonna head out with my girlfriend to go to Joann's, pick up some more fabric for her, and then we're gonna come back to the market, edit up this video. This video's gonna be fire, so I hope you guys watch it. And if you guys know, it will always be out there posted for longevity because this video is really informational. The way this candlestick is breaking down long wick to the upside on a 15-minute time frame, and also some stocks like the market, like SPX, SPY is pulling down here, besides AMD, as you guys can see. But SPX and SPY on these two are pulling down. MES is pulling down. Same thing with MNQ. So I do like this entry for a setup. 5 more minutes for this 15-minute candle to close, and I believe we're going to have a nice drop. Volume's pretty weak too as well. Actually have to do a quick cut for less of a loss. It's only down $15, and I should probably cut it as I'm speaking, but I want to tell you guys why I'm going to cut it, because look at this. SPY is pushing up here, long wick to downside, volume's kicking in. Same thing with SPX and a lot of other stocks like Nvidia, AMD are trying to pull up. MES is also bouncing at this little support zone. So most likely we'll have to cut it here. And now it went from a $15 loss to a $17 loss. So let's just cut it and let's get on about this day. Now I am down $60 or up $60. The issue with this one is, guys, I didn't wait for an actual official close below these recent candles. I just entered because the momentum was pulling down here. So I expected us to continue on downwards. Now I could enter some longs here on this bounce, but I don't want to just go back and in and out trades, but it does look pretty good here. So, and we're still downtrending, so that's why I'm not going to take it too. You guys see we're still below the 9 EMA, so we never know. I might even re-enter shorts if it does start to break down here, but we got to wait for this hourly candle to close, see what it's going to do, and then we'll see what we go on to. So today is Veterans Day, and today my girlfriend's going to have her friend come over. They're going to cook some bomb-ass food, and I'm going to be able to be eating some of that good food. She also baked a nice apple German pie cake, and I'm going to be able to eat all those good stuff. So, and I'm going to drop this fire-ass video, guys. I just edited this long 20-minute plus video with a whole bunch of cuts and edits. It's very educational, so I recommend you guys to watch it, because I'm talking about how I could have done better on these trades, what I need to look for next time. Even talking about the losses, the wins, because we did 3 for 2 last week. We went 3 wins, 2 losses, and we're still positive on the week. Even all the trades, even the last trade that took us on the loss, even the Apple loss too, it wasn't that bad of a cut, but the AMD one was pretty bad. But either way, guys, this video is very educational, very informative. And when I say educational, it's because I'm showing you guys and giving you guys a live breakdown on how I think, how I believe the stock should move when you enter a trade, how it looks like while I'm entering on these specific areas, and a whole bunch of more things, guys. I'm showing you guys and being transparent with my orders, screenshotting my own orders, sending it through so you guys can see that this is when I entered, this is when I did the call out and everything, guys. So it's a full-on breakdown, 20-minute video, and it's very informational, and I recommend you guys to watch it all the way through to not only learn from my own mistakes, but if you guys want to learn how I think when I enter a trade, before I enter a trade, why I'm entering in the first place, then this video is for you. Just slap some MES puts instead. Now we're up 132, and I might just end it there since that's a very good start to the Monday, guys. And the reason why I sold a little bit earlier than expected is because we are trying to bounce. There's a potential support here, so I don't want to catch a support and lose that, although it might break down, which is totally fine. I'll let it do its thing. But being up 130 is pretty solid for me. And let's look at how we're doing now, guys, because now we're almost 600 plus on this account at 587, just $17 or $13 away, sorry. And so far we're looking pretty solid. This is a good week so far. We're as much as profits as we did last week. You guys can see 132, which is $2 away from 134, which is totally fine. But 3 trades today, one in the last night. Second one was a quick L cut of $20, and this third one was a nice $75 gain. So far we're doing really good exits. And yeah, guys, we're gonna end it there. As far as futures, I don't want to over trade, take another trade, and now I'm back down $60 again. MES is obviously breaking down here pretty hard. I'm gonna let it do its own thing. Wow, I just realized I traded ES, not MES. That's the reason why I got quick fast gains. I thought I was entering on MES, but I took the big bad boy, what is it called? I thought I was trading the micro, but I actually ended up trading the big bad boy ES. I did not trade MES. That's crazy. So I mean, I'll take it, man. That was a good breakdown. That was a very risky one. If I would have taken a loss, I would have lost all my gains. If I would have flipped around, I would have been down at least like $10, $20. This is what I was looking for. Market was trending down here pretty hard, to be honest, but now we're at this general area of support on everything, so I'm not gonna take any more trades. Just gonna call it good. I don't want to risk anything else, but that was a good trade, man. Drop this fire ass video. Shout out to Nick ATM. He said he's gonna check it out once he gets off work. But guys, we still have yet to enter a futures trade. No options trades today as well. It's already 12 p.m. It's the last hour market open, but the only thing we traded today was futures because option trading didn't load all my money, so there's just no point of trying to catch a trade. But we're doing good though. We have 587 on this account so far, 132 off a single trade. It's been a while since I used this AI tool. Still pay for it like $10 a month, but just generated me 18 clips that I'm about to use for this recap. So guys, time is currently 5:24 p.m. and we're just gonna wrap up the vlog here. I also am trading right now after hours. It's currently 5:24 p.m. and I have yet to enter a single trade, but I am probably looking at some longs here on MNQ or MES, either one, whatever gives you the better setup, whatever is more favorable in my favor. But so far, we're just gonna end it here, guys. Go get some boba tonight, and we had an awesome, good day so far on Monday. Now tomorrow is gonna be a different day. Let's try to trade some good gains, hold for some higher rewards, medium risk, low risk, doesn't really matter, whatever the setup is. More what we're looking for is a 2-to-1 or a 3-to-1, guys. This is what we want. We want to do our best. And people in my Discord have been saying that it's very difficult to try to capitalize off one single contract, that they believe it would be a little bit more easier to take 3 to 4 contracts at a time in order to actually hold for some good gains. But I'm going to show them and prove them wrong. And I almost want to change my name to One Con Man just to show them that, guys, I can try my best to capitalize off a single contract and show you guys that you guys could flip this little $90 to $120 entry to potentially $200 to $300 exit. So I'm going to do my absolute best. Obviously not trying to shoot for 100% gain, but over 50%, 35%, 45% gain on a single trade is obviously ideal, with the 20% stop loss, of course, depending on the risk to reward ratio. But I want to show them that it's possible, because I keep trying to tell them, guys, if you just trust your trade plan and hold as best as you can make some good gains off a single trade. Now, the other day when I took a 21% gain on SPY, I thought that was enough, but actually ended up doing even more numbers. So I don't look back at these trades unless you're doing a recap to try to see what you could have done better. And in this case, what I could have done better is hold and trust the trade plan with a 9 EMA. And that's exactly what I'm going to do this week, guys. Every single time I enter trade, I'm going to do my best to hold and follow the 9 EMA for the momentum to the upside or to the downside, whatever I'm taking, shorts or puts or calls, it doesn't really matter. I'm going to do my absolute best to hold for the best gains that I can and show you guys that it's possible with one single contract to be able to flip that thing over 30 to 40 to 50% gain on a single trade. Watching the market here, I do have MES and MNQ open. MNQ does look a little bit better here. It's above these Fibonacci retracement levels. I probably should enter here in the next 3 minutes because it is about to get a nice close above. The only reason why I'm not entering is because of this right here, guys. The only reason why I'm not entering is because even though it's above this 50% Fibonacci retracement level, it still has a little bit of resistance to get above here. And plus, if I do take calls or longs here, then I'll just end up closing above that little resistance area. So we're gonna see. But MNQ does look pretty good here too as well. And just to show you guys that I haven't taken any trades yet, you guys can see I have yet to take any trades. We're still at 587. That's what we're looking like. 3 trades today, up 132. And if I do take any more trades, hopefully that is gonna look like a lot better week on the week. And I hope you guys had an awesome ass Monday. It was an enjoyable day. I did do a lot of work, post a whole bunch of content. So I hope you guys were able to watch my recent videos. I posted one video on a nice 20-minute recap with a breakdown of every single trade that I entered, why I entered, what was the reasoning behind it, and the entry and the exits, as well as I posted a video right after that of why I stopped watching the 5 minutes, because every single time I watch the charts now, it's always 15 minutes and above. I no longer watch the 5 minutes, and I do not enter on the 5 minutes no more, because the 5 minutes can fake you out so many times, and especially today, there's a lot of fake outs today as far as the 5 minutes, but on a 15-minute time frame, it looks beautiful. Now, with all that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed your guys' day. This is a short vlog, but I hope you guys still got some good knowledge out of it, because we did talk a lot about stock talk, what we're shooting for, and the recap today that we dropped is very important and vital. So you're trading to try to get better, because I'm trying to get better every single day, guys. If you guys are not trying to get better every single day, then what's the point of even waking up the next day, doing the same exact thing, not getting any better at all, man? Every single day that you wake up, you got to get better at something. So you got to tweak the way you trade, you got to tweak the way you think. Got to make sure that you're doing better than what you did yesterday. And overall, let's keep killing it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed your guys' Monday, Veterans Day. Shout out to all the veterans. Thank you guys for your service, and I appreciate it. There's a lot of people in my life that were veterans, as far as people's dads, and even my girlfriend's dad was a part of the Army, the Marines specifically. So I appreciate everybody that's been in that. And let's keep on going, guys. Let's keep hustling. Let's keep running up these numbers. Let's keep dropping this content. Let's keep giving this free sauce out. So if you guys want to join a free Discord with free server with free educational courses, go on my website, click the link in my bio, and join the free server, guys. We have 78 people. You can be the 79th or the 80th. Let's run up these numbers, man. Appreciate y'all.